Hello there, it's Dana from Moving on the Mat. Thank you for joining me. This is another yoga session. So we are going to stretch out and warm up and just get deep into some deep stretches. I'm going to start with just all fours. We're going to start with the spinal warm up. So cat-cow. We're going to breathe in, look up, head one up, then arch and round it out. So a couple of those deep breaths in, scoop and fill up. Exhale, round and arch it out. Breathe out. 2 more to go. Breathing in. Fill those lungs up. Exhale, arch and empty it out. One last big scoop up. Breathing in. Look up. Empty and round it out. Arch it out. Breathe it out. Back to neutral. We'll do the sides again. Warming up the side ribs, side obliques. So breathing in center. Exhale. Look out. Breathe in. Exhale. Breathe in center. Open wide through the side. Look out to the back. A couple more of those. Breathing in. Exhale. Look out. Squeeze it out. Last set each way. Breathing in. Empty it out. Back to center. Breathe in. Empty it out. A little break. We're going to sink the tailbone back. Relax for a second or two. Stretch out here. Lengthen your spine. And slowly come back up. Okay, wave cat is next. Full body movements. Moving forward and back. So sinking it back. Scooping it long. And then rolling it out. So again, big waves. Breathing in. Lengthen your spine up. Arch and sink it back. 2 more of those. Big breath in. Arch and round out. Last time, big breath in. Exhale and sink. Sink back, relax, back. Okay, I'm coming into the toes. We're going to push into down dog. So sinking back, walking out the dog, stretching out those legs, lengthening your spine, relaxing head, neck, shoulders. Full body stretch here. Deep breath in and out. Coming forward to a front plank, and then we'll bring the right hand to center, bring the other arm up, side plank, strengthening here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, return down. Let's switch up to the other side, opposite hand in the middle, reach up, strengthen it out for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, return down. Let's take a break. Child pose. Relax back, sink back. Deep breathing and rest. Okay, we're off to a good start. So we're going to come into a little more back work. Let's start with bird dogs. Extending opposite arm, opposite leg. And again, we're just lengthening the spine, reaching long, holding it steady, strengthening things out, balancing it out a little. Rest, other side, opposite arm, opposite leg, lengthen, balance, reach, hold. We're going to just do 3 more sets. Here we go again. Breathe out, lengthen long, balance out, reach and hold steady. Rest it down, other side. Lift and lengthen, balance and reach. Rest and relax, final set each side. Extend, balance, lengthen and hold. Relax, other side. Okay, we're going to add on. We're doing tiger curls. Here they come. Lengthen it out and then elbow to knee, then reach it long. Tuck it in, reach it out. We're going to do 5 more. Lengthen it. 4, 3, tuck 2. One more tuck. And lift it up. See how it goes for a tiger pose. So we're going to grab that back foot, lift and lengthen it, open the front hip, stretch it all out. Deep breath in and out. Return down. Let's do the other side. Bird dog first. Balance, lengthen, hold. Then the tiger curls. Here they come. Tuck it in. Reach it out. Breathe in. Lengthen it. 5. Keep going. 4, 3, 2. One more tuck. And tiger lift. Tiger pose. Grab that back foot. Open the hip up. Lengthen, lift up. Big stretch out. Relax. Sink back. Good work. So a little ab and back work there. Okay, good. We're gonna come back up and we'll do some variations on down dog. So coming into down dog first, sink and lengthen it back, stretch it out, walk it out. Deep breath in and out. Lifting into a three-legged dog. Lengthen that leg up, open that hip up, stretch it out. Deep breath in and out. Lift long and lengthen, come back down. Other side, three-legged dog, lift up, open that hip up. Deep breathing and lengthening. Turn to the ground. Walk it forward to a front plank, dropping into our Cobra pose. Open the shoulder blades, open the chest, lengthen the arms, lengthen the spine, open those hips. Roll them around back, sink it all back. Deep breath in and out. Relax down. Breathe into the lower back. And take a break. We're coming back into down dog. So we did a little bit of a twist with three-legged dog. We're going to do down dog twist. So a little strengthening and a little twisting. We're coming first into regular down dog. Push back, stretch back, lengthen it out, breathe in and out. Feet a little wider towards the edge of your mat. And then we're going to bring the left hand over to the right ankle, kind of reaching through, looking under the right arm. Big stretch out, breathe in and out. Look out. Return to center. Other side, right hand over to left ankle, looking under the left armpit, reaching through, stretching out, little twist through the spine. Deep breath in and out. Return down, relax down. Sink everything back. Take another break. Let's rest here for a breath or two. And we're going to scoop into Cobra. Second Cobra. Lengthen spine, open chest, open hips, lengthen arms, deep breath in and out. And roll it back, round back, sink back, rest it, deep breathing. Okay, so a bit more back work, so Cobra, back bend. We're going to do the forearms, grounding in Dolphin, so getting into the lower body, hamstrings and shoulders. So forearms ground, shoulder width apart, push into those legs, and we're in Dolphin pose. So just sort of sinking it back, forward and back a little. Deep breath in and out. Feel that stretch out. Big hamstring stretch, shoulder stretch, rest. Rest it back, lengthen down, breathe into the back. Walk it up. Okay, so again, more into the back. We're going into our puppy pose. So again, this is going to be upper back, shoulder area. So you're going to slide forward and out. So again, legs just hip width apart, walking hands forward, sinking forward to the ground, chin to the ground first, or maybe forehead if you're finding this a little tough. And if you want to go deeper, chest and chin. Tailbone stays up, relax and sink back. Deep breath in and out. Feel that stretch. Slowly come up. Okay, so once you get into that stretch, it feels really good. Just really opening up the upper back and shoulders, sinking down, grounding down. Let's take it to the ground. We're going to come into some sitting poses for a little bit. And again, we'll just bring the feet together into our bound ankle pose. So a little bit of a hip stretch here. We're just going to warm up with an easy hip opener. So again, that was back. We're going in a little more into the lower body, into the hips. So anytime you're doing sitting poses, hips are getting a little bit of release and stretch. Deep breath in and out. Just think about sinking that lower body down as you lengthen the spine up. We'll go into our simple twist. Again, just warming up still. One leg comes out, one leg crossing over to the other side. Ground that foot down, lengthen and look out to the side and back wall. Open chest, back shoulders. Breathing in and out. Feel that stretch out. Go a little deeper every breath out. Return to center. Let's bring those legs reaching forward, sinking forward. Hamstrings stretch. Deep breathing and lengthening. Really stretch and sink into it. Coming up back up to the other side. Again, bring that foot in close to the hip. Ground it down. Lengthen and look out. Returning to side and back walls again. Breathing in and out. Squeezing out abs, opening shoulder blades. Get nice and deep into that stretch. Back to center. Shake it out a little. We're coming next to tabletop. Again, another back bend, strengthening through arms and back and shoulders, lifting through the hips and spine. Lift up, deep breath in and out. Feel that strengthening and lifting for 5, 4, 3, 2, relax. Relax and walk it forward. One more time. Reaching to the ankles, sinking towards those knees, lengthening that spine out, breathing in and out. Return up. Okay, let's take it 2 legs wide. So I'm just gonna, because I can't go wide this way, so I'm just gonna kind of come towards the back of the wall. One leg on either side of the mat. We're gonna take it to some side bends. So breathe in overhead, lengthen towards the big toe. Open that side rib, feel that side body stretch. Reach into it, breathe into it. Return up, let's do the other side. Breathe in tall, then lengthen overhead towards the big toe. Deep breath in and out. Feel that stretch out. Kind of keep the arm over the ear. Try not to go right in front of the face. We really want to get those side ribs, side obliques. Okay, folding forward. Sinking into it. Reaching forward, getting that inner thigh hamstring stretch. Deep breath in and out. Excellent. Come back up. We're going to do the head to knee pose. I'm going to do this other back side first. So I'm going to pull that foot in towards the thigh and just sink forward. Head towards the knee again. This is big hamstring. We're also getting the hips. We want to keep those hips grounded. Lengthen it out. Breathe in and out. Sink forward to the knee. Walk it up. And again, we're going to just turn away from that foot. Open the shoulders and chest. Lengthen towards the side and back wall. Deep breath in and out. Return to center. We're going to bring the soles of the feet together. Taking a pause in the middle for our bound ankle pose. So revisiting the bound ankle pose. Take a few seconds here. Lengthen spine. Sink those knees down. Deep breath in and out. Okay, good. Let's take it to head to knee pose, the other side. So opposite leg comes out. And again, just tucking that foot into the inner thigh. Hamstring stretch. Just take your time reaching into it. This is my tighter side. So a couple more deep breaths in and out here. Go a little deeper every breath out. 1 or 2 more breaths. Excellent, we're back up. Okay, I'm going to bring both legs out in front. We're going to give them a little shake out, massage out. I always like to do this at least once to release the tension in those legs. Okay, and then jiggle side to side. Again, loosening things up, shake it all out. And we're going to take it to one more sitting twist. So we're going to do the sage twist. So one leg's going to come in close towards the hip, grounding that foot right in front of the hip. And I'm going to first turn away from the grounded foot to one side. Deep breath in and out. Back to center. Let's turn to the other side towards the bent knee. Lengthen and look out to side and back wall. Those are the warm-ups. Okay, same arm as the bent knee is going to straighten up, reach up, fold forward to the big toe, and then wrapping that arm around the front of the knee and other arm around the back, reaching towards the fingers together. Sinking forward, deep breath in and out, stretch out. And ideally, you'll be able to touch those fingers. Don't worry if you can't. The whole goal is just to stretch everything out. And again, if you have long legs and long arms, this is a little easier for some people who have extra long arms. Okay, so bring that foot in, bring it close, turn away from the foot first. So Marichyasana 1, this is called, or opening and lengthening, looking out. Gentle twist towards the bent knee side this time. Lengthen up, look out. Towards the back wall. And then again, same idea. So same arm as the bent knee is going to lengthen up. You're going to reach forward towards the big toe. Then release the toe. Come around in front of your knee. And the other arm behind the back. Reaching into it. Sink into it. Deep breathing. Okay, again, if you can touch those fingers, excellent. If not, it's okay. That's okay, we're still stretching. Let's do one more forward fold. One more time, sinking forward, lengthening that spine out. Deep breath in and out. we're going to finish off on the ground. So I'm going to bring the feet together, sort of toward the front of the mat, side by side, resisting and rolling down. Take your time. Arms come up overhead. We're coming into bridge. Feet ground down, hip width apart. Lift through the hips. Lengthen up through the spine. Relax through the shoulders. Big lift and open little back bend. Arms come overhead. Relax them down. Keep the hips up. Roll your spine down. Nice and slow. One knee into the chest for crocodile. Relax here. One leg grounding. One knee tucking in. Lengthen that leg up to the ceiling. Big hamstring stretch. Deep breath in and out. Return back in and crocodile twist. So this one, again, just let the arm relax, shoulder open, sink the knee to the ground. We're almost here. Deep breath in and out. Both knees into center. Hug both knees up and in. Little boat. Rock it out. Lengthen it out. Massage it out. Opposite leg sinking down. Back into crocodile. Relax. This leg sinking. This knee tucked in. Deep breath in and out. Extend that leg up. Hamstring stretch. Deep breathing. Return in. Crocodile twist. One knee to one side, arm to the other. Try to relax to the ground. Stretch out as much as you can. Sink as much as you can. Deep breath in and out. Take a minute. Just feel that hip stretch. Shoulder stretch. Back stretch. Deep breathing. Return in. Okay. I'm going to slowly peel off the floor. Roll it up and reach the toes again. Okay, excellent. Come into easy pose. We're finishing off in easy pose. Okay, so I'm going to take it to a simple twist just to recalibrate the spine a little. So one arm up, then the other arm behind the back, and a little twist out, look out, deep breath in and out. A couple deep breaths here, in and out. Back to center, we're switching it up. And we'll do the other side, hand behind the back, other hand up, hand reaching over to opposite knee. Lengthen and look out, deep breath in and out. Squeeze out those abs, open chest and shoulders. And excellent. Back to center, arm across the chest, hug it in, shoulder bicep stretch. Reaching to each shoulder, eagle arms is next. Take a deep breath in and out. Opening through back and shoulders. Sweep those arms behind, open the chest, big stretch the other way, pull it back, open the heart chakra. Let's try the other arm across, hug it in, shoulder stretch. Reach into each shoulder. Wrapping into eagle arms, deep breath in and out. Very good. One more sweep around the back, pull it back, open the heart chakra and shoulder blades, stretch, shake it, loosen it up. Deep breath and arms up. Exhale down to the heart. Let's take a minute here for just deep breathing. Slow deep breaths in and out. Fill those lungs up. Shine bright like a diamond. And again, we'll take a minute to breathe into the heart, taking the heart shape. And then back to prayer pose. Deep breath. Okay, namaste. Have a great day, and thank you for joining me for Moving on the Mat. Sending you lots of love. Please send me some love back. Thank you for being here with me now, and I will see you again soon.